Hi guys, welcome to ASA Technical. Stuck on a Windows 11 error screen and don't know how to open the boot menu? Don't worry, in this video I will show you exactly how to access the boot options and fix your PC step by step. If your computer shows automatic repair, recovery or a blue screen, don't panic. Your system is probably fixable without reinstalling Windows. So let's get started. When your PC shows the blue screen of death, just wait. Do not press any buttons and do not force shutdown. Just let Windows restart automatically. If Windows fails to start 3 times in a row, it will automatically enter repair mode. Or when you see the error or recovery screen, look for a button called Advanced Options or see Advanced Repair Options. This takes you to Windows Recovery Environment, where all boot tools are located. Now click Troubleshoot. Then click Advanced Options. Next, Startup Settings. Startup Settings is where the Windows boot menu lives. Click Restart. Your computer will reboot and show the Windows boot menu. Now you can press these keys. Press 4 for save mode. Press 5 for save mode with internet. Press 6 for command prompt mode. And press 7 for disable driver signature enforcement. If you want to boot from a USB or open BIOS instead, go back and select Advanced Options. Then go to UEFI firmware settings. After that, click on Restart. This opens your system's boot device menu. If you don't see advanced options, then we need Windows to enter automatic repair mode. Now turn on your computer. When the Windows logo appears, press and hold the power button to force shutdown. Turn it on again. Repeat this process 3 times. After Windows fails to start 3 times, it will automatically take you to the automatic repair screen. And that's it. You have successfully opened the Windows 11 boot menu from an error screen. So I hope this quick guide was helpful for you. If you have any questions or any advanced guide, then please let us know. Please like, comment, share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.